Morning, everybody. Well, here's the video that supports the Algebra IV booklet, which is more ratio algebra and combining it with word problems and also scale diagrams. So we'll start off with a little review exercise and making sure we remember how to solve the different types of algebra style equations that go with ratios. So let's have a look at both of these examples. For the one on the left, we have over here 25 over 15 is equal to x over 33, and our job is to solve for x. So we have to ask ourselves, okay, well, what's stopping x from being isolated? That's the divided by 33 over here. So I have to do the opposite to cancel out. What's the opposite of dividing by 33? Times by 33. So we times both sides by 33. Let's see what that looks like. Alright, so I'm showing the multiplication by 33. I write it as 33 over 1. You don't have to, but this way it shows which parts of the fractions cancel out a lot easier if you write it like that. So there I write it. Now let's cancel out. Alright, so then the 33's cancel out and I'm left with x. And then I have to calculate 33 times 25 divided by 15, and if you break that off your calculator, you'll get x is equal to 55. Okay, so that's the basic, easiest type of algebra that you have to manage. In the second question there on the right, we have x is on the bottom of a fraction. You remember what you do when x is on the bottom of a fraction? Yep, you got to flip both sides. A lot of people forget to do the other side. Flip both sides to get x on top, and then you are in good shape. So let's start there and see if we can get it done. Okay, so now we have x on top of the second fraction, and now it's just a matter of getting rid of the 42. And x is being divided by 42, so the opposite of divided by 42 is multiplied by 42. Okay, you can write it as 42 over 1 if you like. Let's have a look. Okay, so cancel the 42 out. X is by itself. That's the nice thing about algebra. You don't have to guess. You can just let the algebra do the work for you, and then you got a calculation to make. 42 times 18 divided by 27. Get out your calculator and see what you got. I think the answer is 28. Alright, so that's how the algebra takes shape. Now let's have a look at one of the word problems from the booklet, and then we'll look at a scale drawing. So you might need to get you will need to get a ruler out. So you might want to search for that. It's a little ways away, but you'll need to find a ruler to do some measurements. Okay, let's go on to a word problem.